Do you find it hard to stick to your budget? You're not alone. Many people struggle with it. In a world where temptations lurk around every corner, overspending has become a common issue. But fear not, for budgeting can be your saving grace. In this video, we'll delve into understanding your income and expenses, creating a sensible budget, and the real challenge, sticking to it. So buckle up for a journey to financial responsibility. Stay tuned to learn how you can overcome this common problem. Before we dive into budgeting, it's crucial to understand your income and expenses. Let's break it down. Your income is all the money you're bringing in each month. This could be from your job, your side hustle, or even that hobby that's surprisingly profitable. On the other hand, expenses are everything you're spending money on. Your morning coffee habit, your Netflix subscription, your rent or mortgage, these all fall under expenses. It's easy to overlook some of these, especially the smaller ones. But remember, even the tiniest leak can sink a great ship. The key here is honesty. Be honest about your spending habits. Don't ignore those little indulgences. Track every penny because it all adds up. Once you've got a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can start to see where your money is really going. And that's powerful. Knowing where your money comes from and where it goes is the first step to successful budgeting. Now that you understand your financial situation, it's time to create a budget. Creating a budget is like plotting your financial journey on a map. It's about plotting your income against your expenses and then deciding how to allocate your money. The first step in this process is to prioritize your spending. Essentials like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and transportation should always come first. These are your necessities. Once you've allocated for your necessities, it's time to think about your future. This means setting aside money for savings. A good rule of thumb is to try and save at least 10% of your income each month. However, if you can save more, that's even better. Now, let's talk about discretionary spending. This is the money you have left over after you've paid for your necessities and put money into savings. Discretionary spending covers non-essential things like dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. It's important to allocate money for fun and leisure, but remember, the key is moderation. Finally, always keep in mind that your budget should be flexible. Life is full of surprises and your budget needs to be able to adjust to unexpected expenses. Remember, your budget is a tool to help you manage your money, not a punishment. So, use it wisely, adjust it as needed, and most importantly, stick to it. Creating a budget is one thing, but sticking to it is another challenge. So, how do we make sure we don't stray from the financial path we've set for ourselves? Well, there are a few key strategies that can help us remain steadfast. Firstly, set clear financial goals. These will act as your compass, guiding you through the sea of spending temptations. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having a tangible target to work towards can make a world of difference. Next, consider using budgeting tools. There's a wide array of apps and software out there that can help you keep track of your spending and savings. These tools can provide real-time feedback on where your money is going, and some even offer personalized tips and alerts to keep you on track. Finally, make it a habit to regularly review and adjust your budget. Life is unpredictable. Expenses can fluctuate, and income can vary. By regularly revisiting your budget, you can make necessary adjustments and ensure it remains a true reflection of your financial situation. Sticking to a budget isn't just about restraint. It's about making conscious, informed decisions about your money. It's about recognizing the value in each dollar and directing it towards what truly matters to you. With determination and the right strategies, you can stick to your budget and avoid overspending. So, are you ready to take control of your finances? We've delved into understanding your income and expenses, creating a budget that suits your needs, and the all-important discipline of sticking to your budget. Now it's your turn to put this knowledge into action. Start budgeting today and share this knowledge with others who might benefit. Remember, budgeting is not about restricting your spending, but about making your money work for you. Good luck!